Good morning, dear students. Now, in today's class, we will be doing chapter number 8, that is word problems on division. So, students, in this chapter, we will focus on the division which are based on word problems. So, at first, you need to understand one thing in the word problems on division. So, whenever you are provided with the price of more than one items and asks for the price of one item, at that time you need to divide at that time you need to divide the total cost by the number of items to get the price of one item. विद्यार्थीहरू, जब हामीलाई क्वेसनले एकभन्दा धेरै आइटम्सको मूल्य दिएको हुन्छ र एउटा आइटमको मूल्य पत्ता गर्न भनेको हुन्छ, एउटा आइटमको मूल्य फाइन्ड गर्न भनेको हुन्छ, हामीले जहिले पनि एउटा आइटमको प्राइस अथवा मूल्य पत्ता लगाउनको लागि हामीले टोटल क्वान्टिटीलाई नम्बर अफ आइटम्सले डिभाइड गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, लेट्स see the note. So students, here I have provided one small note for you. To find the cost of one item, we perform division. So विद्यार्थीहरू, हजुरहरूले दिमागमा के याद राख्नु पर्यो, हजुरलाई के रिमेम्बर गर्नु पर्यो भन्दा, यदि क्वेसनले एउटा आइटमको कस्ट निकाल्न भनेको छ भने त्यति बेला हामीले डिभिजन गर्नुपर्छ. So let's see the question. So students, your question is 3 kg of rice cost rupees 240.15. How much will 1 kg rice cost? So विद्यार्थीहरू, यदि 3 kg चामललाई 240.15 रुपैयाँ पर्छ भने 1 kg चामलको मूल्य कति पर्छ? So students, here the price of 3 kg rice is 240.15. Now question is asking us to find the price of 1 kg. As we have already discussed about it, whenever question asks for one item, whenever question asks the cost of one item, at that time we perform division. Now how do we perform division? Now we perform division by dividing this 240.15 by 3. Total cost divided by number of items. So let's solve. Solution. Here 3 kg of rice cost is equal to rupees 240.15. 3 kg of rice cost rupees 240.15. Now since question is asking to find the cost of 1 kg, so therefore 1 kg of rice cost equals to, now 240 rupees 240.15 total cost divided by number of item, that is 3. So students, now let's perform division. So students, let's solve it here. So let's start with 2. So since 2 is not available in the table of 3, so we should take 4. So 2 4 it is 24. Now we know that is 3 8 it is 24. 24 minus 24 it is 0. Now this 0 will get down. Now students, 3 0 0. Now students, we need to bring this one down. We need to bring this one down. Now again 1 is not available in the table of 3, so again we need to bring this 5 down. So 1 5 15. Now students, whenever we bring two digits down at once, we need to keep 0 in the question. यदि हामीले दुईवटा डिजिट एकैचोटि तल झार्यो भने क्वेसनमा 0 थप्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. So now 3 5 ज 15, it is 0. So students, now as we can see, in the dividend before 2 digit there is decimal. Now in the question 2 we will put decimal before 2 digit, 1 2. So 80.05. So rupees 80.05 is the cost of 1 kg rice. Hence the cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 80.05. So students, now let's move towards next question. So here our question is 5 pence cost rupees 85.50. Find the cost of 1 pen. So students, here 5 pence cost is rupees 85.50. Now we need to find the cost of 1 pen. Whenever question asks for the cost of one item, we always divide. So students, here we are going to divide rupees 85.50 by this 5. Total cost divided by number of items. If we do so, we will get the cost of one item, that is 1 pen. So students, let's solve it. Solution: 5 pence cost is equal to rupees 85.50. Now question is asking the cost of 1 pen, so therefore 1 pen cost equals to, so to find the cost of 1 pen we just perform division, that is rupees 85.50 divided by 5. So students, let's perform division. So students, since there is 8, now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 1s are 5 is smaller, so therefore we should take smaller than 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Now this 5 will come down. Now 3 5 it becomes 35. Now we all know 5 7s are it is 35. 35 minus 35 it is 0. Now this 5 will come down. Now again 5 1s are 5. Let's subtract. Now students, it is 0. Now we need to bring this 0 downwards. Now students, 5 0s are 0. So here in the question, before in the dividend before 2 digit there is decimal. Now similarly in the question 2 we will keep decimal before 2 digit, 1 2. So it means students, here the cost of 1 pen is rupees 17.10. So hence the cost of 1 pen is rupees 17.10. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. Now here I would like to give you some questions as a homework. So dear students, here I have provided you 2 questions as a homework. So in the next class we will be doing further exercises. So till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.